Choosing the right dog breed is a big decision, especially if you're a first-time owner. Some breeds are easier to care for, more adaptable, and better suited to beginners. In this video, we'll walk you through the best dog breeds for first-time owners. Dogs that are easy to train, friendly, and ready to become your loyal companion. Let's dive in and find the perfect furry friend for you. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe. Which dog breed do you think would be the best fit for your lifestyle, and why? Tell us in the comments. Now let's get started. Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. The Cavalier King Charles Spaniel is a gentle and affectionate breed, known for its adaptability and friendliness toward people of all ages, from children to the elderly. Cavaliers are easy to train and warm to strangers, making them excellent companions. They do need regular grooming and moderate exercise, but overall, they are a low-maintenance breed. Boxer. Despite being natural guardians, boxers love spending time with their families. One of their standout traits is a strong desire for human affection, especially from children. They are patient, lively with kids, and protective, making them a popular choice for families. Boxers require minimal grooming, but do need daily exercise to stay healthy and happy. English Springer Spaniel. The English Springer Spaniel is known for its eagerness to please, a common trait among Spaniels. Cheerful and affectionate, Springers form strong bonds with their families and love staying close to their owners. While they make great house pets, they need daily exercise and regular grooming to keep their coats neat and tangle-free. Papillons are small, friendly dogs with a fine-boned structure. They are alert, playful, and neither shy nor aggressive. Whether living in an apartment or in the countryside, Papillons are adaptable and enjoy playing outdoors. However, they can also be entertained and exercised indoors, making them a versatile companion. Poodles are exceptionally smart and excel in various dog sports. They come in 3 size varieties: toy, miniature, and standard, which adds to their widespread popularity. Poodles can adapt to different living spaces, and their nearly hypoallergenic coats may reduce allergic reactions. However, regular grooming is necessary to keep their coats well maintained. Shih Tzu. The Shih Tzu is a lively and friendly breed, perfect as a companion and house pet. They require minimal exercise and can be kept in a puppy cut to simplify coat maintenance, making them an easygoing and manageable pet for most households. Labrador Retriever. Labrador Retrievers are loyal, affectionate, and fantastic with children. Their trainable nature and friendliness toward strangers have made them one of the most popular breeds in the U.S. for years. Labs thrive in active households where they can enjoy both outdoor activities and cuddling sessions. Besides choosing a breed good for first-time owners, you need to find a breed that's a good fit for you. To find the best dog breed for you, consider these key factors. Lifestyle. Are you active or more laid back? High-energy breeds need lots of exercise, while some are fine with short walks. Living space. Do you live in an apartment or a house with a yard? Smaller breeds or low-energy dogs adapt better to apartments. Allergies. If you or someone in your home has allergies, look for hypoallergenic breeds like poodles or Bichon Frises. Grooming needs. Some dogs need frequent grooming while others are low maintenance. Temperament. Choose a breed that matches your family dynamic. Some dogs are great with kids while others are more independent or require socialization. Thanks for watching. We hope this helped you find the perfect dog breed for your first furry friend. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more dog tips and animal videos. Let us know in the comments which breed you're considering, or if you already have a dog, share your experience. Which dog breed do you think would be the best fit for your lifestyle, and why? Comment. See you in the next video. Bye.